Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos in Pinterest. So go for your Pinterest account and go for create pin. Now you have to just click on this plus, then go for one photo here and click on it. Choose your picture, whatever you want, then cut it and again go for another one and again choose one from here and again do these things. Okay, so after that now you have to just add a title and whatever you want, just go for your if you want to anything if you want to write here anything, just write it and go for your link if you want. After that just save it. Okay, go for save it, edit. Okay, now it's done. So this is how you can upload multiple photos on Pinterest. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.